So let's continue on today with our sales tax tips and markups. This is the third part of the lesson. So our learning target today is I know how to solve problems involving markup. Okay, first day we took a look at sales tax, second tips, and now we're going to go over markup. So the definition for markup is that it's pretty much what the things that we buy from a store are often bought from another company. So, for example, when we go to the grocery store to buy like Pepsi, the store has bought the Pepsi for less than what the selling price is at the store. And this is called markup. We go to the store. For the store to make money, they've got to have a product, and then they've got to make money on that product. So, anything that you make or you buy costs you money. So so they'll buy Pepsi for maybe $1 a 12-pack. I don't know exactly what it is, but they might buy it for $1 a 12-pack, and then they'll bump it up by a certain percentage called the markup percent, and that's what markup is. So my question is anything we buy from a store marked up? And I want you to put that, whatever you think, I want you to put that right here right above example 1. So let's do a problem real quick, just a sample problem. This is example 1. It says the wholesale cost for t-shirts bought by a sporting goods store is $20 per shirt. The shirts will be marked up 40%. So now we want to know what is the selling price. Okay, the sporting goods store buys the shirt for $20 per shirt, and now is marking it up by 40%. And we want to know what that selling price will be. So we're going to take the first thing we want to do is we want to take up our 40% right here. Okay, 40%, and we got to change that to a decimal. 40%. And we're going to go back twice. Just like we do for anything that if we're ever gonna change a percent to a decimal, we got to move the decimal point back, and we end up getting 0.4. Okay, and so now we have to take that 0.4 and we're gonna multiply that by the $20. So 20 times 0.4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. And we end up having one number after the decimal point, which means we've got to come back one spot, and we end up getting $8, okay? And so we take this $8 now, and this is how much we're marking it up by. This is how much we're marking it up by. Okay, now so we take this $8 and we have to add it to 20. So $20 plus $8. Remember, make sure your decimal points are aligned so that everything stays in a straight line. You're not adding 8 to 2 or 8 to 0 over here. And if we add all this up, we end up seeing that it's going to be $28. And that's the amount that us at a sporting goods store, if we were working for a sporting goods store, that's how much we would sell that shirt for. Okay, so any problems, we've seen this now with sales tax tips and markup. The first thing we usually always do is we have to change that percent to a decimal. That's the first thing. Second thing is multiply the cost of an item by whatever that percentage we're using. And then we have to add whatever amount we get to the original price. That's what we do for every single one of them. So that's today's video. It was nice and short. Go ahead and work on the practice, and we'll see you tomorrow.